Hello amazing people, welcome back to our another Unfold. Let's discover how the 𝗲𝗏 buzz through the woods in this adrenaline-pumping adventure. Jetson One, a single-person, DIY 𝗲𝗏 with 8 motors that can fly and land anywhere, is a new ready-to-fly, DIY vehicle on the market. Despite its high price, if you are a flying enthusiast, this personal 𝗲𝗏 is unquestionably less expensive than purchasing a plane. And the best part is that there is no need for a runway. The Jetson One is a 190-pound 𝗲𝗏 that folds neatly into a 3-foot package for storage and measures 9.3 x 7.8 x 3.3 feet in flight. The vehicle's body is made of carbon and aluminum fiber, and it is powered by 8 powerful electric motors arranged co-axially on 4 arms. These motors have a total power output of 88 kW. However, the company uses software to limit the flight speed to 63 miles per hour. The flight controls are simple, consisting of a throttle lever and a 3-axis joystick, allowing you to learn to fly it quickly. If you want to see the vehicle in action, make sure to watch this entire video, and as always, have fun. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more interesting and ultimate facts we bring to you in our next releases, and we are sure you will like them and love to share them with your friends and family.